Hello everyone, welcome to St. Peter's School. Children, open your term 2 book, page number 109, lesson number 2, places of worship. So children, let's start. In this chapter, learning points are temple, mosque, church, gurudwara, ajiyari, derasar, vihar. So children, where do you go to pray to God? Where do you go to pray to God? Write your answer. And where does your friend go to pray to God? You write it answer. We pray to God, thank Him every day. We go to special place, worship God. They are called places of worship. A place of worship is a specially designed structure where people come to perform religious activity. There are etiquette to follow when one is visiting a place of worship. Hindus offer their prayers in the temple. The Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita are their holy books. Hindus offer their prayers in the temple, and Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita are their holy books. Muslims offer their prayers or namaz in mosques. They offer namaz 5 times a day. Their holy books is the Quran. The Christians go to the church to offer prayers. They sing hymns in the church, and their holy books is the Bible. Christians go to church, offer prayers, they sing hymns in the church, and their holy books is the Bible. So children, come to the next page. Page number 110. 6. Go to the Gurudwaras to worship and offer prayers. They sing song called is Gurbani. Their holy book is the Guru Granth Sahib. One of the largest churches in India is Sea Cathedral in Goa. The largest Gurudwara is the Golden Temple in Amritsar. The largest mosque is the Jama Masjid in Delhi. Parsis offer their prayers at the fire temple, which is also called Ajiyari. Jains offer their prayers in the Jain temple called the Dera Sar. Understood, children? Parsis offer their prayers at the fire temple, which is called Ajiyari. And Jains offer their prayers in the Jain temple called as a Dera Sar. Palitana is Bhavnagar, Gujarat. Palitana is the Bhavnagar, Gujarat is a city with around 823 temples dedicated to the 24 holy sons of the Jain community. Palitana is a Bhavnagar, Gujarat is a city around 823 temples dedicated to 24 holy sons of the Jain community. Buddhists go to viharas to offer their prayers. The largest monastery in India is the Twang Monastery. It is in Arunachal Pradesh. So children, come to the next page, page number 111. All religions teaches that should be love and help one another. We must respect all the religions, and we must keep all places worship clean. We so children, in this chapter, what you learn in this chapter? We go to special places of worship God. All religions teach us to love and help one another. We must respect all religions, Muslims offer their prayers namaz in mosque, and Christians go to church offer their prayers. Sikhs go to gurudwaras to worship of offer prayers. Parsis offer their prayers to fire temple which is also called Ajiyari. Jains offer their prayers in the Jain temple is called Derasar, and Buddhists goes to viharas offer their prayer. Understood, children? Now I stop here. In the next class we will start question and answer. Thank you.